Alright, so now that my front is totally decorated how I want it to, we are going to start assembling the actual donut. Okay, so you will need your other piece, your back piece. You will need a thread in the right color. I don't have charcoal, the closest I have is black. Okay, and obviously your sewing needle. We will be whip stitching the center together here in just a moment. Alright, you're going to want your knot really nice and thick. So remember, when you are going around your needle, I would go around at least 3, if not 4 times, just to make sure that that knot at the very end is really nice and thick, so it's not going to go through your felt. Okay, so you're going to start by putting them together to kind of get them lined up to see how they're going to look. Remember, you want to start on the wrong side, so you're actually going to go up through the wrong side on one of your pieces, so your knot is going to be on the inside, but then you want to just place it back together. Okay. Also, what I recommend doing is when you get that situated and your knot's in there, take a couple needles and pin these to where this isn't going to move around. Okay, I'm going to add about 3. Why not? Why not? Okay, when you have it pinned and you know this isn't going to be moving all around, you may want to kind of bend it at times, but you are just basically going to go through that center. You do want these close together. If they're not close enough together, you will see the polyfill from the outside. Okay, and I know it's kind of hard to see because my thread color matches a little bit more. Okay, but I am going extremely close together on this whip stitch.
Not as many. I've gotten more, but I haven't ridden with it. Oh. I don't like it. I ride on a horse.